You ever hear the phrase, you get what you pay for? Well, the 2026 Haval H6 HEV might just be the car that flips that saying on its head. Because what if I told you this hybrid SUV-esque hybrid delivers a driving experience, tech features, and comfort levels that feel luxury, but comes in at a price that makes your wallet breathe a sigh of relief? Yeah, now we're talking. Let's dive in. You see, the 2026 Haval H6 HEV doesn't scream "look at me," but maybe that's what makes it so intriguing with its bold yet mature stance. New frameless grille design, sleek LED headlamps, and flowing body lines. The H6 HEV looks like it just rolled off the design board of a premium European brand, but here's the twist. Haval didn't just focus on beauty. They added brains to pop the hood, and you'll find a 1.5-liter turbocharged hybrid powertrain paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 240 horsepower. That's more than enough grunt to leave slowpoke traffic behind, all while sipping fuel like a gentleman at high tea. But wait, is it quick? Let's just say it's surprisingly punchy. The torque delivery from the electric motor kicks in instantly, and the hybrid setup ensures you're not just saving fuel, you're actually enjoying the drive. And yes, it's whisper quiet. When cruising, slide into the interior, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels unexpectedly upscaled. Think soft touch materials, diamond-stitched leather seats, and a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that seamlessly connects with a floating 14.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system. And did I mention the built-in voice assistant? Just say hello Haval, and you're in controlled climate navigation, even windows. The vibe, minimalist, modern, and honestly kinda addictive. Ambient lighting, check. Panoramic sunroof, check. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. Even the rear seats recline. Try finding that in rivals at this price. Now, let's talk technology. The Haval H6 HEV is packed with what they call Level 2 semi-autonomous driving features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera so clear, you'll feel like a drone is hovering above you. Safety isn't just a checklist here, it's a full package. And while most hybrids make you feel like you're compromising something either in performance or space or design, the H6 HEV feels more like a clever workaround. It gives you the efficiency without the boring. It gives you innovation without the intimidation. And it gives you luxury without the luxury. Car price tag, but here's the real kicker. With everything going electric, hybrid SUVs are becoming the smart middle ground, and Haval is quietly making one of the best bets in that game. So, if you've been thinking, maybe it's time to try something new, something smarter, well, this might be your sign. Still not sure if the 2026 Haval H6 HEV is for you? Just ask yourself this: when was the last time a car made you feel like you'd outsmarted the system? If this video gave you something to think about or just made you curious, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and tell us, would you pick the H6 HEV over a Toyota RAV4 hybrid or Honda CR-V? Let's talk, because this might just be the most underrated SUV of the year.